Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, I do makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. As you guys read from my title, today I will be doing the holiday tag slash Vlogmas here on YouTube. I was tagged graciously, I will say, by Yessie Gonzalez here on YouTube, and also I was tagged by Positively Giezel. They're both sweet and amazing channels. Yesenia does Jessie does beauty content, vegan, cruelty-free channel, and Geizel actually does lifestyles, vlogs. So definitely make sure you guys check those ladies out, okay? But let's get right to it and on with the questions. Definitely, I think many of you guys will be a little shocked for my answers, because definitely most people think I'm weird when it comes to the holidays. So the first question from the tag is your favorite candle. I'm a basic B word. I'm a basic girl. I'm very plain Jane, you guys. I personally like vanilla candles. I like the lavender candles. I don't do fancy candles actually. Personally, I hate cinnamon. I loathe it. Like when holiday season begins and they start putting all those cinnamon scents and wreaths, it makes me want to vomit. So I'm not big on holiday candles. I know a long time ago I had seen like a gingerbread one, or I had seen like a snickerdoodle, but it's been years and I've never seen them again. So if you guys find those, let me know down below so I can pick those up, because I did like those once upon a time. It's been many years at this point, so I haven't found them since, and I don't even remember where I found them back then. So my favorite lip color during the holidays, for me, I love, it's like a complete opposite. I like wearing two tones basically. I typically love wearing a dark kind of like a dark nude, or let me give you an example. Typically during the holiday seasons, I like the rich dark tones, browns and stuff like that. Like last year when Jeffree Star released the Nudes Volume 2, I loved the shade Tasty. It was like a dark chocolate brown. I loved using it. I used it all the time. And Human Nature. I like those rich tones because, you know, it's cold, so I want something warm. And then to the polar opposite, I love reds. I love wearing reds during the holiday seasons. I love wearing reds in winter in general for some reason. It's always been my thing. That's like the one shade I've always loved to wear since, you know, whenever I did wear makeup when I was younger. Now, my favorite drink. So, back to being basic. I drink the same two drinks at Starbucks day in and day out, and I don't drink alcohol anymore. I stopped many years ago, so I don't got a holiday drink that way. But year round, I drink a venti iced Americano with a splash of half and half and 3 Splendas. And if I want a hot drink, I'll drink a venti skinny vanilla latte with no foam, and that's it. I keep it pretty simple. The people know me at Starbucks. If I were to order something different, they know something's wrong. I've honestly been drinking the same two drinks, oh man, since before my kids. I think when I was pregnant with my daughter was the only time I drank something slightly different because I was getting pregnancy cravings. And they used to have a passion tea lemonade kind of deal where it was really good, but they don't even make that no more. But it had like orange in the passion tea, so it was good. But yeah, so I'm basic, you guys. I drink the same drinks year round. I'll drink the iced Americano in the morning and the skinny vanilla latte in the afternoon, or vice versa, like, you know. But anyways, so I'm sorry. Favorite blush? I think personally I feel that I wear the same kind of blushes all the time. I'm typically always using like this, like a pink or like a more red tone shade. I do like coral tones, which is ironic because I don't have a coral shade at all. Like, I used to have a really pretty one, and God, I don't even know where it's at anymore. It's old. But yeah, again, for blush, for some reason, even though I like blush, I wear them all the time, I kind of stay with the same two colors, you know, pinkish, maybe a little bit reddish tone, nothing too bright or wild because I'm pretty fair skinned. Me looking bronze, it's bronzer. So clothing item. Ooh, I love hoodies during winter. I love these long sleeve sweaters. Like, I went to Target and I bought 4 or 5 of these, but just like different colors. I just like these. Like, our weather in the Bay Area, an exception for right now, it's raining cats and dogs and thundering, but typically we have all 4 seasons where it's like fresh and cool. It's not too hot, it's not too cold, so you can wear these type of shirts or sweater shirts pretty year round. And during this time, if you have something like this, you don't necessarily always need a sweater. So that's why I like these, or if it's cold enough, my sweater. But I like, in general, I like sweatshirts. So but yeah, I like these long sleeve sweater shirts. They're so cute and comfy, and I got them on sale for $12, normally $19.99. Let's see, my favorite fall movie. Ooh, my favorite fall movie, I love Nightmare Before Christmas. Because it works for Halloween and it works for Christmas. So it's boom, best of both worlds. It's a movie that I've gotten my kids, well, no, it's a movie that my kids have grown with, and every Halloween, every Christmas, we all watch it together as a family, and we all see it as a holiday movie, you know. So it's great. That, or if it's Halloween, we're watching Halloween Town. My kids love that movie too, so yay. Let's see, my favorite fall show. So for me, I love anime, actually. Fun fact, I do love anime, and typically, like, in the fall, they do 2 seasons, in fall and spring. Typically they have in fall, Cartoon Network typically has Black Clover, Hero Academia, One Punch Man, Running, which are some of my favorite animes to watch. In my household, on Saturdays, we are doing an anime, we do anime marathons every single Saturday. We begin at, I think it starts at like 7, sometimes we'll start a little later, but you record that. And we go on until 1 a.m. But that's what we like to do as a family. We all love anime, and yeah, so that's our TV shows. Let's see, the next food. So it says favorite Thanksgiving food, but we could also use it because, you know, I did get asked to do it beforehand, but I'm kind of late. So we'll say favorite Thanksgiving and Christmas food. For me, I love my turkey, okay? I have a really good turkey, which is typically very tender. And I can make so many other dishes afterwards with my turkey. I'll get like a 20-pounder or a little bit under, and I made enchiladas, I made taquitos, I made so many other dishes afterwards, until we finished that turkey for a couple days. And my kids don't really know the difference anyways. Like, to them, it's white meat. It was still tender. Put a little bit of olive oil and some vegetable broth on it, so it brings back that, you know, flavor and stuff, and we're good to go. And lastly, my favorite Halloween costume. I think that one's a little old, but let's see. I honestly haven't dressed up for Halloween since, I think, before I found out I was pregnant with my daughter. I can't remember, like, I used to dress up actually as a witch very often, like more often than not. I was a witch for Halloween, so I will say that. So maybe that's my favorite Halloween costume, being a witch. I used to love all that witch stuff in movies, Hocus Pocus, Charmed and everything, like Partially Inside. That's why I kind of wanted to buy that Manny MUA palette, because of the name. It's all like pop culture witches, so maybe I'll still get it if it's available. But anyways, so that was the questions from the tag, from the holiday tag. I want to actually what I want to do is actually call out Manders, and I will make sure to pin everyone's information down below. I want to call out Manders to do the tag. Also LaLa's Crazies, I want to see her back, so I want to tag her as well. I also want to tag Donna, and then LifeWithUs, because LifeWithUs is actually local to me. So hopefully she does it soon. But anyways, so I will make sure to link these beautiful ladies' channels down below, and make sure you guys check it out. Please remember, before you guys head out, because I forgot to mention it in the beginning, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.